Opening a feature on TikTok. Hey everyone, what's up? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, you'll learn how to open a feature on TikTok. You've just uploaded a video and noticed it has 0 views. When you check the insights, you discover it's blocked. It's blocked by some TikTok guideline and you don't know why. This is happening a lot lately, even to me. The videos I'm posting are getting 0 views. When I see this, I need to appeal to get the video released. How do I do that? I'll open the TikTok app. Here's my TikTok profile, Mundo Paiva Tecnologia. I'll click here. People are noticing it's at 0. The video has 0 views, meaning no one has seen it. Clicking on More Insights to check the video's progress, it's locked. It says here, not eligible for the For You page, and you click to see more. TikTok's algorithm blocked your video here. How do I file an appeal? Leo, click here at the top, folks. Appeal. Click it and request a new review. Instead of the algorithm, a TikTok employee will manually review the video and decide based on community guidelines. So this is happening to me. I need to appeal so they can manually review and then release the video to everyone. Just click down here and submit now, folks. Appeal received, now just wait. In this video, you learned how to appeal on TikTok. Got questions? Leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks, everyone.